unavailable.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You are now tuned in to another episode of the Doug Couch Show. I'm your host. See what time it is here.
9:58 a.m.
All right, 9:58. So I still got time. So, today I'm going to be showing you a game, called Puppy One. It's by Jim Kitchen. And for those of you who don't know who Jim Kitchen is, if you are totally blind, then I'm sure you know who he is. He made a bunch of games for the computer and they were all free. Like he made baseball, football, Puppy One, Pizza, Pong, um, Monopoly, golf. He made a pretty good ton of games. He made Awesome, Home Run or Harley. He made a bunch of games. But so today I'm going to be showing you Puppy One. And what Puppy One is a game where you shoot planes out of the sky, and they're shooting at you as well. So I'll open up the game here. I'll open
Desktop
up
list hot preempt for kitchen sink 3447.
Welcome to Kitchen Sink Games. Use the up and down arrow. Pizza. Pong. Press. Puppy 1.
Alright, here we go.
PPPP. Puppy 1 by Jim Kitchen.
Puppy 1, version 3. By Jim Kitchen. Select. Exit game. Read instructions.
Alright, I'll read the instructions.
Puppy 1 instructions. The object of Puppy 1 is to fly your twin-engine plane and use its twin-in-wing machine guns to shoot down wave after wave of enemy aircraft. When you deploy your aircraft, it will start its engines and take off. Once it automatically achieves altitude, you will hear an enemy plane. If the enemy plane's engine sound and the wind sound is of a high frequency, the enemy plane is above you and you will want to press or hold down the down arrow key to climb. If the frequency of the enemy plane engine and wind sound are a low frequency, you will want to press or hold down the up arrow key to dive. If the enemy plane and wind sound is to the left, use the left arrow key to turn left and the opposite right arrow key for if the enemy and wind sound is to the right. Also, the right control key will announce where the target enemy aircraft is in relation to you, such as above and right. If it reports above and 0, that means that the enemy is above you and you are lined up left to right. The same if it reports 0 and right, which means that you are lined up and down, but that the enemy is to the right of you. You can press or hold down the left control key to fire your machine gun at any time. You can use 2 arrow keys and the left control key all at the same time, like to dive, turn left, and shoot all at the same time. The P key will pause the game. And pressing it again will unpause the game. If you have a joystick, the controls are similar. That is, push the joystick forward to dive,
Okay.
Start game. Exit game. Read in, start game.
Alright, here we go.
Select, difficulty. Beginner, experienced, expert, beginner.
I'm gonna do beginner.
Select. Deploy your number 1 aircraft.
Alright, here we go.
Below and
Systems
left.
up menu space. Restore R. Minimize ends.
Shit.
System Puppy 1 by Jim Kitchen. Systems up menu space.
Oh yeah, I did it. Haha, yes. And I didn't even look at the coordinates. Alright. That's cool. Woohoo! Woohoo!
By shooting down one enemy plane and using 16 bullets, your score for this round is 984 points. With a total of 1 enemy plane shot down, you now have 984 total points. You still have 3 good planes left in your hangar. Select. Deploy your number 1 aircraft.
Okay. Now see, here's where it gets hard because now it's going to give me 2 aircraft.
Above and left. Below and 0.
Uh-oh.
Above and 0.
Systems up.
Fuck. Ooh, that was close. Uh-oh.
Below and left. Below and 0. Below and 0. Below and 0. Below and 0. Below and 0.
Shit. Die. Yep, I died. I died. Uh-oh.
By shooting down one enemy plane and using 8 bullets, your score for this round is 992 points. With a total of 2 enemy planes shot down, you now have 1,976 total points. You now have repeat score. Deploy your number 2 aircraft.
Okay, here we go.
Below and left. Above and left. Above and left. 0 and left. Below and left. 0 and left. Above and 0. 0 and 0.
See, that's how you do it. You gotta watch the uh-oh.
Above and right. Below and 0. 0 and 0.
Yeah. Boom. Got him. They might have killed me once, but they ain't killing me again.
By shooting down 2 enemy planes and using 28 bullets, your score for this round is 1,972 points. With a total of 4 enemy planes shot down, you now have 3,948 total points. You still have 2 good planes left in your hangar. Select. Deploy your number 2 aircraft.
Do so good, you get a bonus plane actually. So let me see.
Below and left. Above and left. 0 and left. Zero and 0. Above and left.
Wait, let me see.
0 and 0. Above and 0. 0 and 0. Below and right.
Got him.
By shooting down 3 enemy planes and using 61 bullets, your score for this round is 2,939 points. With a total of 7 enemy planes shot down, you now have 6,887 total points. You now have 3 good planes left in your hangar. Select.
Yep, I think I just got a
Deploy
bonus
your number
plane.
2 aircraft.
Because I haven't used any other aircraft but one. I'm still on my second one. So, let's see how far I get.
0 and left.
Okay.
0 and left. Above and right. Above and 0. Below and 0. 0 and left. 0 and 0. Below and right. Zero and 0. Below and left. Below and 0. 0 and 0. Above and right. Below and 0. Below and 0. Below and 0. 0 and 0. 0 and 0.
Yeah, I got all 4 of them. See, it just keeps increasing the number of enemies as you go. So eventually it's going to get to where I'm shooting down about 2. Actually, I'm not really sure how it works. But,
By shooting
yeah.
down 4 enemy planes and using 73 bullets, your score for this round is 3,927 points. With a total of 11 enemy planes shot down, you now have 10,814 total points. You now have 4 good planes
Oh, yep,
left in
I
your
just got a
hangar.
bonus plane, I think.
Select. Deploy your number 2 aircraft. Above and right. Below and left.
Uh-oh.
Below and left. Zero and 0.
Systems open.
0 and left. Below and left. Below and left. 0 and left. Above and left. Above and 0. Below and 0. 0 and 0. Below and right. Below and 0. Below and 0. Below and left.
They got me again.
By shooting down 3 enemy planes and using 36 bullets, Your score for this round is 2,964 points. With a total of 14 enemy planes shot down. You now have 13,778 total points. You now have 3 good planes left in your hangar. Select. Deploy your number 3 aircraft. Select. Deploy your number repeat score, read instructions, adjust volume, adjust rate of speech, change voice, check speakers, configure joystick, exit game, save and exit game, game saved. Thank you for playing Puppy 1. By Jim Kitchen.
Unknown.
Welcome to Kitchen Sin Games.
I hope you guys
You exit.
enjoyed that game
Thank
review.
you for playing Kitchen Sin Games.
And I will
Exiting program.
see you guys in
Desktop list,
the
Kitchen
next
Sink
episode of the
3447.
podcast. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode.
Cock preempt P for your cock preempt stop button.
Peace.